I'm Naomi from Academy of Fitness. I'm now going to take you through 2 range of motion tests. The purpose of doing range of motion tests or flexibility tests is to identify whether there are any joint or muscle imbalances and whether or not our client is at an increased risk for injury. When our clients come to us, they're all wanting to improve their quality of life. And their quality of life is always going to be impeded by an acute or chronic injury. So as trainers, it's really important to identify any deviation, whether it's postural or flexibility related, that is going to increase their risk for injury, and then prescribe exercise to try and combat that. The 2 tests that I'll be doing today are a sit and reach test, which will be assessing the flexibility of the hamstrings, the glute max and the lower back. We'll also be doing the arm under over test, or commonly called the zipper test. This will be assessing the flexibility of the shoulder capsule, the joint itself, and we'll be looking at internal and external rotation. Once again, you don't need a lot of equipment. Today what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you how you can do it with just a ruler. Make sure that your client is injury-free prior to starting these flexibility tests, and don't do a warm-up, as the next time when you do your retesting, you would have to try and mimic the same warm-up again, and it makes your results less reliable. Okay, Kate, we're about to do our 3rd sit and reach. So the reason why we're doing 3 of each test is that you can take an average of those results, but it also enables your body to warm up a little bit as we do it. And it gives us a little bit more of an indication towards the end of what your true fitness is, or your true flexibility. So I'll get you to reach forward. You're going to hold your position for just a moment while I take the measurement. So when you're ready. Excellent. Okay, well done. Okay, so that is a measurement of -22, which unfortunately we know that that's a poor result, and we have identified that we want to improve our flexibility. Once we start getting into the overlap, that's when we're going to start seeing some more positive results when we compare to the norms anyway. Okay, so we'll have a look at your arm over under test. So we'll do the right arm over first. Okay. All right, so we've got a positive overlap here. So just release for a second, that's it. I'm going from middle finger to middle finger, straight line. Okay, so we've got a positive overlap there of +4 on the right. And then on the left, we'll do that again. Okay, so we know we've got a gap there, but it's much less now. So we've got a gap of -4. Okay, so once again, what we have here is we have a poor result on the arm where we had the minus. We have a very good result for the hand that is overlapping. So we have identified a restriction in your range of movement on your left-hand side, but not on the right-hand side. With your sit and reach, we've identified a restriction in range of movement through your lower back and hamstrings. Today we don't need to refer you on to an allied health professional, but should you have an injury of the shoulder or the lower back, we would definitely refer you on to, say, a physio. Do you have any questions about the tests that we've done?
No.
Fantastic.